Okay, so let's look at all these verbs. It is common that for the être verbs we use this acronym Dr. and Mrs. Vandertramp because for each letter is the beginning of one of the verbs. So let's throw these in here. So the first one is devenir, and it means to become. Next one is revenir, which means to come back. Next one is monter, which means to go up. Next one is rentrer, which means to like re-enter. Rentrer, it can also mean to come back. The next one is sortir, which we know means to go out. The V is for venir, which means to come. Arriver means to arrive. That one's easy. The N is the only one where there is nothing. They just put that in there to make it so it makes sense. Okay, so the D is for descendre, and it means to go down or descend. E is for entrer, which means to enter. Easy one. R is for retourner, which is another way to say to return. T is for tomber, which means to fall. R again is for rester, which means to stay, not to rest. So that's a faux ami, rester. A is for aller. We were using that one before, to go. M is for mourir, which means to die. Die, die, die. And last one, partir, which we know means to go. To leave. Okay? All right, so now let's throw these in the past participle, what those look like. Devenir is devenu, and if we need to add an S or an E. Okay, I'm just going to copy and paste this. Revenir is revenu, and again, we need the E or the S if it's feminine and or plural. Monter is an ER verb, and we know those. Monter with the accent aigu at the end. Rentrer is another ER verb. Ember is barking. I'm going to let her in. You're messing up my video, Ember. Okay. Sortir is sorti. We need an E and an S if we need. Venir is venu. That's kind of a weird one. Arriver is a nice ER verb. So just the accent aigu. Then nothing. Descendre is descendu. E and an S if we need. Entrer is a nice ER verb. So we know those. Retourner is an ER verb. So we know those. Tomber is an ER verb. Love these. Rester is an ER verb. So that's easy. Aller is an irregular verb, but it ends like ER. Mourir, to die, if you want to say I died. Je suis mort. And if you're feminine, morte. And partir, if you want to say I left. Parti. Okay? All right, now negatives. Negatives, we are going to put the ne before the form of être. And we're going to put the pas after it. Okay? So for example, nous ne sommes pas descendus à Châtelet. So what this means is we did not descend or get off from the Châtelet station. Châtelet is the name of a metro station in Paris. So again, we're putting the ne and the pas around the first part of the verb, okay? We're not putting the pas around the whole thing. It only goes around one verb, not two. So, nous ne sommes pas descendus à Châtelet. Okay? So let's try this one. I did not go inside the post office. Okay? So I did not go. To go is aller. So I'm going to make that bigger. See if I can do that. 12, 13. Je ne suis pas. Notice how ne and pas go around the form, the first verb être. And then aller, I did not go. I'm going to talk about myself. I use she, her pronouns, so I'm going to put an extra E. Je ne suis pas allée in la poste. Okay? I did not go in the post office. We want to say dans for this because it's inside. Okay? She did not stay at the hotel. So to stay is rester. Okay? So elle, I'm already thinking, oh, that's a she, her pronoun, so I have to make agreement. Okay? Elle n'est pas restée, and I need an E, à l'hôtel. Oops. L'hôtel. Elle n'est pas restée à l'hôtel. She did not stay at the hotel. All right. They, feminine, did not return from the library. Okay, so return is retourner. So, I hope they didn't get lost in the book section in the way back. All right, they, feminine, elle. I'm going to make that bigger. Elles ne sont, because the être form for elles is sont. So, elles ne sont pas retournées. Okay, now I need to make agreement. Retourner, it's feminine, so I need an E, and there's more than one, so I need an S. Elles ne sont retournées de la bibliothèque. Voila. Okay? All right, last one. You, masculine singular, okay, so that will be the tu form, did not go to the train station. Okay, so here we go again, so aller. Tu n'es pas, so this is the conjugation for être. Tu n'es pas allé. Okay, masculine and singular, so I don't add anything. And it's you did not go à la gare because gare is the train station and it is feminine. Tu n'es pas allé. We're going to link the S and the A. Tu n'es pas allé à la gare. Okay? All right. Tomorrow we are going to highlight our notes, do some color coding in our notes, and we will do some practice. All right. Good luck.